So before I get too carried away, assuming that the motor's all the way mounted, right now it does look like it's a little close to the hood. So what I'm going to do is see what this looks like with the PDM removed, to get a feel for the weight and what the dimensions can be without it. And what this is doing for me, among other things, is helping me understand whether or not I need to go through, splice and extend all the cabling to get to the battery pack in the back, or take this whole unit, put that back there, and then run cables from this back down to the inverter, and kind of see how all that fits. The other thing I need to do from there is I'm going to need to understand and figure out what to do with my HVAC unit. Now, I'm trying to use the one that I pulled from the Leaf, but the problem is it's way too big. So, at a quick glance, without doing some major mods inside the cab, it looks like I'm going to either have to pull that pack apart and separate it throughout that, or put it in there in the hood. So I just kind of want to take this all out so I can kind of lay it where it needs to be and figure out where to go. So that's what I'm kind of taking this apart right now. I went ahead and pulled the motor again so I can next kind of get a look around it. So here's what I missed. We had the 6 screws that come up from the bottom going around the body here. What I missed is right up against my firewall now are the 2 screws that are holding the inverter and the PDM together. And you can definitely see how hard I was pulling on the sucker. So now it should come apart nice and easy. Nice. So in order to do that, just be smarter. But in general, like I said, that guy was one I didn't see, so that's why it was being a bit of a pain. I went through, I marked all the locations, basically just kind of match drill. or match dimensioned all the stuff. So what I'm gonna do is really just start welding it all together. It should be all slightly oversized right now. We'll just kind of see how it fits once it's together, at least on the first one. And if I need to make something shorter, it's a little bit easier than making it longer. This is a basic gist of what I'm thinking. So right now I've got the PDM kind of hung up just in the front here. And this I think is going to give me enough space, kind of get my hands back there if I need to. You go down there, drop in some self-tappers. And really all I've got to do is mark I'm going to mount there and there. And really just kind of cut, tack in some welds. I'll try to make this whole thing one piece. And then we'll just work from there. Should be pretty straightforward. So I've got it sitting exactly the way I have it right now. I've got it marked right about where the hole's going to be. Flushed up there, and where I'd like to place that hole, and then I'll just jam through and work.
I couldn't turn the sun.
Things that made that weld a little tricky is the fact that kind of see those guys are at an angle. So when I'm having to fill this gap here, I'm having to gently kind of fill that space so I can actually walk my bead side to side and make it work. Which, good news is, looks like it's done. And this is one more step into being in. So I'm just gonna knock those tops off. Alright, nice. Ground down, cleaned up. It's actually starting to look like I do this on purpose. Still a little ugly, but I think they will work just fine. I just gotta pull this guy down and paint it real quick and hop down there, mount those guys.